come, they feel it get numb. You think you got a little buzz, so now you can't get stung. I keep a razor blade tuck on me under my tongue. Don't let me have to tell these niggas about the city I'm from. It's Brooklyn, be the home of the hardest ever. Where the niggas don't aim, they just palm.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing a shop vacuum that Noah purchased previously because he broke the other vacuum.
I didn't break it, it's old.
Alright, whatever.
It was 30 years old.
So, Noah, what vacuum is this? Where'd you buy this? With
$30 at Walmart.
$30 at Walmart. So right now we have a butter knife, and then we're going to cut open the tape.
I didn't want to get a sharp one.
Why do you think you're going to cut yourself? Oh, and this thing has 3
gallons.
horsepower.
Oh, it's also 3 gallons. So
Yeah.
it's small.
This thing probably weighs nothing, so 3 horsepower is quite a bit for this vacuum.
It's not a 1-on-1. 1-on-1 weight ratio.
I doubt it's a 1-on-1 weight ratio. It's probably less.
Insane.
So I think this is the bag, which everything.
Oh, and it's already. Oh. I thought we had to build it.
I don't think we'd have to build it. So Noah took out the tube which the vacuum goes to.
This thing.
Some of the extensions.
This is called the gulper nozzle.
That's what that's called?
Yeah.
Wait, is this another gulper nozzle? Oh my god.
That's
so
a bigger gulper nozzle.
this comes with 2 gulper nozzles.
Wait. That's the gulper nozzle.
This is the gulper nozzle.
This is the 10-inch wet dry nozzle.
That is that.
There's also the crevice tool and the tool holder.
Wait, where's the crevice tool?
Oh, I don't know.
Alright, so this is the vacuum itself. It is pretty big. This is one of the bigger vacuums, so you don't want to.
Wait, where's the wheels? Open it.
There's wheels?
It's supposed to be wheels.
I think it goes like this.
These things. You lift them out?
Wait. That's just the hole. Perfect.
Don't break my phone. Wait, there's no instructions.
All it does is give you a gulper nozzle. Alright, there's some stuff in here. So this is a filter.
Is there something in it?
Sounds awesome. Hold this. So this is for foam dry. This. So it didn't tell us how to open the vacuum. They just assumed we knew how to open the vacuum. It's not very nice of them.
Oh wait, there's the wheels are in there.
Yes, these are the wheels. So I'm gonna use my 2 fingers and I'm just gonna insert them into the plastic, and it opens.
Just use the scissors.
No, it's even open. Okay, this is a handle that you can use. It has 2 wood screws, which is kind of weird. Literally wood screws.
Those are machine bolts.
They look like wood screws. What?
They're machine bolts.
Okay, whatever. They look like wood screws. Alright, so right now I'm going to insert the wheels into the bottom of the vacuum. So just gonna, I think they press in. That really hurt my leg.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, so you just gotta give it a firm slap. This one doesn't want to get in there.
It's like putting in new buttons.
So right now it's already filled with dog here, so it's good. Okay, so what is this going to? Let's see here. I want to see. Is that a filter?
But you didn't.
That is a filter.
You can get liquid. No, okay, so you get this thing.
What is it?
And then so you go like this. This is what happens when you look at the instructions, you know what to do.
I have this thing, by the way.
Okay, so
If this doesn't.
you get that yellow thing, this white thing, put on it, and then step 2 is you put it on it. Number 3, you put this boy.
Boom. Wait, so do we leave the white thing on? I think we take it off.
No, it says foam filter sleeve. This is a foam filter sleeve. Yeah. Foam filter sleeve in place. That's step 2. Step 3 is mounting ring. Or
I have it.
Center reusable dry filter on filter cage.
I have the
Dry filter in place. Okay.
I have the mounting ring. Oh no. Why would it be that way? That's what it should be. So you gotta give this a little push. Help if you had 2 people helping it down. I don't know, is this.
Dude, no, look at the
I don't
instructions.
believe this is right.
No, look at the instructions. No, it goes that way.
Alright, well, look, see, it's not down all the way. Okay, that's as down as I think it's supposed to be. So we put this John back on. I don't like how it's making that noise. It really bothers me.
Dude, open it.
Okay, good. I'm not gonna open the top of it.
Well, you don't need lubrication.
Why not?
It's already good.
Just gotta give that a little, and then the handle. Again, 2 fingers. Boop. And take your 2 wood screws. And it's a flat head.
Thank you, really. Sure. I do.
So we'll be right back with the flathead. You're back with the flathead.
Stanley.
Stanley. What is Stanley?
It's the brand.
Yeah, well, where?
Just get it there.
Unless you want to do it. Okay.
You do it.
This flathead's kind of small for this.
Oh, I don't think we should put the wheels on. When we're done with this.
Oh, okay. So a recommendation if you're doing this at home, don't put the wheels on. Because you have to have a buddy of yours hold it while you put on the handle.
Did you know?
For some reason, this is making me think of some girl I used to talk to in middle school. Screwing the bolts in. Just kidding. I'm not gonna say who. But... So,
She's the Gandhi now.
wait, this is not even straight now, so you're gonna.
2018. Doesn't have to be straight.
Shut up, Noah. So, how's your YouTube channel going?
That's good. Stealing the content because I was gonna make a video on this.
I need this video for this week. Still isn't going this straight, but it has to be straight, so me too.
They're taking a joke.
I don't know. I recorded another video that's gonna come out after this. And none of my bolts were going straight, so I could have used that joke yesterday. Thanks, Noah. You're a day late. Oh, what?
You ever been working? Yeah. I was busy that day.
It's gonna bother me if this isn't straight, like, you know.
Dude, it's fine.
I'm gonna listen to this one now. You know what I mean?
Oh, wow.
So, these 2 bolts.
Make like a stance edit. Dude, look at that. -5 degrees. camera.
There's no camera on this thing.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, now I'll plug this John in, see what this thing can do.
Wait.
So that tube goes into the front.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
You're not even facing it at anything, you're just pointing at the ground.
I'm pointing it at the vacuum.
You're pointing at the ground. This is so small.
Well, it should not even work. So that's a lot of suction.
Yeah.
So in this pack, you're receiving 3 different extensions for the shop vac. And right now, Noah's installing the tool holder onto the vacuum.
I don't know.
Noah, how's that going? Looks like it's going pretty well. Noah.
RTFM.
It looks like it's on, bro.
What?
So Noah created the tool holder. And
It's
it's,
the final boss.
I think it looks like a scarecrow. No, what's that meme?
Don't fuck with me! I have got it on my side.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video right there. Just having fun, you know. We didn't have anything to record. Decided to have fun with it. We got the shop vacuum, just wanted to make something out of it.
I'll vacuum my car.
And no one wants to vacuum his car. And yeah. So if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up in the video.
Subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I don't remember running this thing.
Oh.
Oh yeah, this works.
So this thing's awesome. Get super suck. Super suck vacuum.
Yeah, it works.
Imagine just vacuuming things with that thing. Holy Jesus.
See me in the reflection, I look like a superhero.
Vacuum man.
My superpowers does suck.